Congrats and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's DKB here, back with another tutorial. Today we're just going to be going in on how I do my slick back bun on my type 4 hair. I am going to go ahead and be using freshly washed and conditioned hair. I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to be using my Jamaican Mango and Lime Island Oil. This is what, $7, but you can use any oil of your choice, and I'm going to go ahead and massage that in my scalp. Just because my hair does tend to get a little dry after this style and help conceal all the moisture. You're going to go ahead and see me struggle for the life of me to part this in the middle. You want to go ahead with any gel of your choice. Mine is Eco Styler. It doesn't really matter which one because they all work the same. And then I'm going to be applying the gel just to my roots, and then I'm going to brush it in. I'm going to be using a detangler brush, and I'm also going to be using a bristle brush. You do want to go ahead and make sure that you are working in sections, because the thicker your hair, it is harder to go ahead and work the gel throughout the hair. So the thicker your hair, the more sections you would probably want to do. This style is pretty repetitive. You just want to go ahead and keep using your spray bottle and spraying your hair. Put in the Eco Styler or whatever style gel that you want to use on your roots, brush and detangle it, and keep using that bristle brush till it's slick like Rick, okay? Go ahead and reestablish my middle part. It kind of got lost while I was detangling and styling the back of my hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps that I did in the back of my hair. Spritz, gel, comb, and brush. Literally the same exact steps from the back. Throughout the video, you probably haven't seen me use my hands a lot to smooth it down. Just as much as you want to use your bristle brush and your detangling brush, you want to use your hands. God gave them to you for a reason. Now, when I tell y'all to use your hands to get your hair slick, go ahead and look at how slick this was. It's giving very much Slickiana, okay? Yeah, if somebody slapped me, they would feel nothing but bone. You see how slick my hair is? Don't be dumb. Honestly, the only thing a slick back is consistency. Using your spray bottle, using your bristle brush, and using your gel. You want to keep brushing your head until the white meat is starting to show. Keep brushing your head. That is literally the only thing that's stopping you from having a slick back bun. I also go in with a comb just to, comb out every single lump and clump that is still there, and go in again with my bristle brush, because once again, I'm a very detailed person. I don't like no type of lumps in my hair. That's one of my biggest pet peeves about slick backs. Just keep brushing and combing your head until everything is nice and smooth. style my edges, I'm just going to go ahead and use my double-sided edge brush that I got from the beauty supply, and I'm going to take out the baby hairs that I'm going to be using and my edges. I'm going to go ahead and brush them out so that's easier to manipulate when it's time to make my swoops. Spray the bristle side of the comb, and I'm going to go ahead and swoop my edges. I like to go ahead and make baby swoops, and my finger is going to follow it along just to smooth it out while it's going. I usually do about 6 to 7 swoops around the whole perimeter of my head, just because I don't like too much going on in my head, especially because I like, you know, I don't want to take away from the style. So after I swoop it, I'm going to use the small comb, and I'm going to make sure all the hair on the sides just falls straight so that it looks even more natural. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side of my head. And just like that, she is slick, honey. Okay, no lumps, no clumps, no bumps. And we're set. I just want to thank everybody for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you, loves. Mwah.